Hi Shannon, I don't know you yet, haven't met you, but here I am. My husband's recording, obviously you know Chris.
Hi Shannon, it's Chris.
I have my griddle warmed up about 325. My tortilla press, which again I'm using the Ziploc bag cutouts that I told you about, and I like to mark them. It says top, so I know that my masa is actually going to be on this side of it. Then I have the bottom, which says bottom on it. I'm going to make my masa real quick, and this is what I use. I mean, you can buy your own brand, I'm sure you know that. And I'm only doing this video so that I can show you how to press the tortilla. So I'm not going to use that much. We might eat them later. If not, we'll just throw them away. A little bit of water. Mix it up, and yes, I've already washed my hands, and actually I was going to take off my rings. Just do that real quick. Got it? Probably not my wedding ring either. Don't want to get my diamonds all messed up. Goes there. Mix up my masa. Sorry about the dirty dishes. Need some water. It's always hit or miss. I mean, you always want to make sure it's a consistency kind of like Play-Doh, basically. And just keep adding until you get there. If you end up having something that's more sticky, then add just more masa. Like I said, just mix this up. Just enough to get a couple tortillas out of it. It should not stick to your hand though. So happy I got a new tortilla press yesterday. My old one, it didn't weigh that much. I even had Chris test it and hold it compared to the other one. He was like, wow, yeah, you can definitely tell the difference in quality. My old one, you can even see, my son's playing with this Tupperware. Alright, so this is pretty good. I might do just a little bit on my hand with one more time. And please don't post this on YouTube because this is nothing professional, it's just I'm trying to share with you. I mean, that's pretty Play-Doh, like, see how it's not sticking to my hand or anything. Again, I have this at about 325. You can set it at 350 if you want. So about ping pong ball sized is what I was always taught. If you like bigger tortillas, go for it. Top. And the thing is, you want to rotate it too, because most of your pressure is actually, yes, you're going to get a flat tortilla, but obviously your pressure is not being perfectly distributed throughout the tortilla. So I usually do it 3 times. Whoops. And then take the top off. Take your hand. And this is where the plastic bag comes in handy instead of using the Ziploc or the wax paper that I showed you. You start to peel this back, and sometimes when it comes with the Ziploc or the wax paper, it will actually start tearing on your sides here. This one didn't. Put it on. Should be just a little bit before you can turn it. Make sure you preheat your griddle though. If you're not using a griddle and you have the, I don't even know what they call it, but basically the Mexican plate that goes across 2 burners, which I won't even show you our stove right now because I haven't done dishes. Then you can only cook 2 tortillas at the same time, but this one you can do 4 or 5 if you wanted to, depending on how big your tortillas are. So if you want, use a spatula. You don't have to though. Bring it up, flip. Constantly want to be pushing down on it though, because eventually you'll get those air bubbles and that tells you the tortilla is done. If you don't get the air bubbles, just go with the consistency that you like your tortillas at. You don't want to overheat them or, you know, make them dry. Right now I would normally be making another tortilla, you know, pressing it and everything. And then by the time I would come and bring that tortilla down, I'd be checking this one, which helps because, I mean, the watch pot never boils. Austin, you want to make an appearance?
Hi. Say hi, Austin.
Can you wave?
Can you wave?
Say hi.
Mama. Mama.
No, don't like that.
This is Owie, so make sure you're staying warm. Do you want them? Okay.
He's throwing them out the bait for the
squirrel. So this one, oh, here comes my air bubbles. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can tell in the video, this little air bubble that came up. See, you imprint and they come up. So your tortilla is basically done. It's hot. There you go, Shannon.
All right.
See you later.